Hello friends. Yeah, today we implement the new plugin in MLM Studio. So it's a separate video. We basically because this the new plugin is developed after that. So it's a newly thing in MLM Studio. Okay. So let's start. Okay. So we implement the invoice here actually the currency table. Just yeah, currency table. Okay, you can add on multiple currency, you can manage it. Okay, so there are also the businesses, so don't worry about it, don't create the business from here, you just pick it and you can just make a print just for reporting purpose. You can see how you can manage it. To continue with this, I will show you. So list invoices, which invoices you already created, those all are here. Okay, if you want to create a new invoice, you just click here, it automatically create a new invoice for you. Okay, you can pick here the some any logo. If I choose this one, you can pick a title of it like 10th one, I think, date, due date, currency already selected, business name like B1 test. You can add anything, but I use only test email.com. Additional thing, if you want, you can add here business to, like, to who you want to send test to. Okay, phone number, oh sorry, you can add anything, also anything here, b2 at gmail.com. Okay, right. So here the invoice you can create here the any product name, like I choose a hard drive, price to, you can change the quantity of it. If some tax name, you can add tax and tax name. You can also add a discount here. If you manage tax separately, you can add tax here like VAT 30. Okay, so all calculation you will got here. So lastly, you can, if you want to add something, you can also choose your color of your invoice, like I choose this one. Okay, choose the red one, suppose. Okay, signature, designation, and our invoice is created. You can also create a multiple rows here. Okay, now we generate it. Okay, invoice is generated, your logo from business to business. Okay, so everything is there now. Okay, now you can print invoice, right? And you can also send this invoice to anyone. Okay, so I configured in background the Gmail SMTP, okay, in code. So you can change your configuration settings from here. Just wait, let me show you how you can settings. You can change your SMTP settings from here. Okay, then I show you the which invoice lastly we created, 10th one. Okay, so you can also edit it after that if you want to add some more fields. Okay, remove field, more field, you can add here. Okay, like that, simply you can add it. Okay, if you want to change color after that, you can change it and done, right? So simply using this way, you can easy to manage your invoice in the MLM application. So thanks for watching. Thanks for For purchasing, you can ping me. The all information is coming in details. Thank you.